Hi, this video will cover how you can build custom reports in Easy Insight. From your data source, click on the Create button and do Create Report. Here, you can click on Choose Field to add fields to your report. We'll go ahead and add current stage. We see the list of stages in our data. We add deal size. And we see the sum of deal size across all time broken out by stage. If we click on Create Filter in the upper left, open up Sales and choose Date Created, then create a filter to filter the data down by a certain date range, we'll see that we're now seeing the last 365 days worth of data, and we can click on the filter to adjust the time range shown. We could also create a filter on the stage field itself. We'll go ahead and do a multi-value filter to create a pick list. We can click on the All, and from there we can adjust to only see certain stages in the data. We can also then click on All to go back to seeing all stages. To change the visualization, we'll click on the List button. Here we can see the different visualizations available to you in Easy Insight. If we change it to a column chart, it updates accordingly to show the data in the form of a column chart. If we click again and change it to a crosstab, then go ahead and add Date Created, now we're seeing the data broken out per month and per stage. If we click on the green drop-down for Date Created, we can adjust the date range. So for example, looking at it by quarter year as opposed to year. If we want to rename a field, we can click on the green drop-down, do Edit this field, and give it a name of month, or a name of quarter. We'll scroll down, click Save, and we see the name updated accordingly. If we want to update to include the cents to go along with the dollars here, we can click on the green drop-down for deal size, do Edit this field. Here you can see that we're aggregating the data as a sum, and it's a currency. We'll go ahead and change maximum and minimum decimal points to 2, scroll down and click Save. Now we're seeing the cents along with each in addition to the dollars. To export the report, we can click on the Export tab, do Export to Excel, PDF, Google Sheets. We can also set it up for recurring email. So if we want this report to go out at 7 a.m. every Monday, we can do that. We can embed the report for display in an external system, and we can expose the report itself as a JSON API if you need to consume that from another system. To create a custom field, we can click on the Custom Field menu, do Add Custom Measure. Then, for example, we could do deal size times deal probability divided by 100 to get a weighted deal size based on the deal probability. We'll go ahead and change this to a currency as well. Scroll down, click Save. And then we will replace it with the field that is now found under Report Custom Fields with weighted deal size. Additional configuration options can be found under Configuration, including a wide variety of formatting options here under Report Properties. We can set limits under Limits. We can restore to previous versions of the report under Version History, and more. We'll go ahead and click Save, save the report, give it a name. Now when we go back to reports, the report we just created is here under Main Views with the name we gave it. If we click on the 3 dots here and do Edit, the report comes up again here. If we click on View, we see the View version of the report. This is the simplified version that allows users to adjust filters, but not make structural changes to the reports. This is what your typical viewer as an Easy Insight user will be able to access rather than the editor. For more on creating reports in Easy Insight, please check out the wide variety of other videos and documentation available to you. Good luck with creating your reports. Please let us know if you have any questions or as you get into building your reports.